and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be testing out the Makeup Obsession Flower Haze palette. This one I got in a haul probably over a month ago now, and to be honest I forgot all about it. I've been so busy concentrating on the DC collection and other things that I completely forgot to review this, so I'm doing it now. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's actually the packaging that attracted me to this initially. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I love all these flowers on here. And then this is the colour story. So it's very, very summery, very sort of spring summer vibes, which we are now going into autumn. So might be a bit late for this, but better late than never. However, I will say there are some colours in here, sort of these ones in particular, that, you know, they can cross over into autumn winter. So yeah, so we've got 9 mattes in here and 7 shimmers, which is a really nice ratio. I found with a lot of palettes recently that there's more shimmers than mattes, which is fine as long as the mattes are decent, but there are more mattes in here than shimmers, so I'm liking that. So I'll give them a quick swatch for you. So this is the first half, and we have Haze, Daisy, Petal, Tulip, Honey, Sunflower, Amber and Sky. And this is the second half. So we've got Blossom, Peony, Rose, Bluebell, Butterfly, Dahlia, Lily and Poppy. An odd one for Poppy, I have to say. I'd have thought that would be a red, but there we go. So yeah, I did find these swatched quite nice. The shimmers were lovely. The only thing I found was some of the names were odd. Like I said, Poppy being a gold. Poppies tend to be red. There was another one as well. What was it? Yeah, and Daisy. That's Daisy, which is a purple, which, you know, daisies are white. I would have thought they'd have put one of the sort of more nudish tones as Daisy. But yeah, whatever. They're just names, aren't they, I suppose? So yeah, let's try it out. Right, so I think I'm going to start off by I'm going to go actually all over my lid with this one here. So Tulip.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.
So like that is actually a really, really pretty colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend the edges of that out using Haze, which is this one here. So that's blended out quite nicely. So then right on the centre, I'm just going to plonk it on with my finger, and I'm going to be doing this one here, which is Sunflower. Not hugely wowed by that shimmer, if I'm honest. It was it might be because I've got powder underneath it. Normally I cut that bit out and put like eye primer on underneath, and it sticks quite well. So it may be because of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip in just a little bit into Poppy, so this one here, and I'm just going to try and pop a little bit of that over the top. I know you don't want to talk, but just pick up. That's better. Right, so then underneath, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go underneath with Amber. So it's this orangey shade here. Got the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? And then right on my inner corners, I'm actually going to dip into which one's this? Rose. So it's the one underneath. So it's like this lilac shade.
Things happen naturally, like it used to be.
Yeah, that's nice. Right, okay, so I'm just going to pop some highlighter under my brow bone. I'll go off camera and do that, and pop some lippy on, and I'll be back. And here is the finished look. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not wowed by it, if I'm honest, but it is a nice palette still, and I will use it because it's got some beautiful colours in it. I really like the matte shades. I don't know, when I swatched the shimmers, they came up really nice. This inner corner one is actually lovely. I think it was just that first one, but I think the formula is a bit different of that. It's kind of chunkier, so that might be why. But as I say, it could be that, you know, I normally do cut that bit out rather than putting it straight over the powder, so that could be why. So I might try it again, but doing it my usual way and see if it works any better. So yeah, I do think it's a good palette though. I do really like the colours and I like the pigment. I'm happy with it. So here's a quick close-up of the eyes. Yeah, I do like it. I think it's a really nice sort of like spring, summer, holiday vibes look. And the coral shade that I used on a majority of the lid is absolutely stunning. It's a really nice coral shade. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!